killed her husband, was pardoned. Several other high-profile criminals. The lawmaker who collected bribe with his cap, Farouk, was pardoned. And we are here debating that somebody who didn't commit a crime should not be let go. What we are asking for is very, very straight. We want an unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. No condition attached. Not even a shorty.
Igbo mụrụ nzem ọzọ, Igbo ndị ọma njem ọ na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke tata. Biko ihe a to remind all our Igbo brothers and sisters, especially our eastern side, ndị na-esiti, ndị na-anọsite at home because of our brother Nnamdi Kanu. On 20th is the fixed day to. I hope no ninja ga-apụta. Our politicians, our Igbo politicians, I hope no ninja ga-apụta. Every time we sit in the House of Assembly, you na kreba and namalo. Now, another person from another tribe have come to protest on behalf of your brother. I hope you people will come out and support him. Please watch this video, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you.
I'm the special counsel to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu.
Our business here today is very brief. We have had to endure the unjust harassment, intimidation, torture, extrajudicial killing, and continued illegal, unlawful, and unjust detention of Nnamdi Kanu. He's our brother, he's our blood, he's one of us. I know him personally, he's my friend, so that nobody will say that, well, how did Shomore come into this? But even if he was not my friend, I will fight for justice.
Yes. We know you for that.
I fight for people I know and people I don't know. So we are not here, please don't get us wrong, to appeal for pardon or clemency or amnesty, because we can only be granted those if they have committed a crime. As far as we know, and as far as they know, Nnamdi Kanu has not committed a crime known to law. If he did, they would have convicted him since these 10 years of going back and forth. 3 days ago, Tinubu pardoned some of the best, I would say the best criminals. The best and the best. 53 drug dealers. You know, when you are president and you want to pardon people, you pardon people from your community.
Yes. We understand.
Yes, we understand that. One of the worst kidnappers in this country was pardoned. A woman who killed her husband, was pardoned. Several other high-profile criminals. The lawmaker who collected bribe with his cap, Farouk, was pardoned. And we are here debating that somebody who didn't commit a crime should not be let go. What we are asking for is very, very straight. We want an unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. No condition attached. Not even a shorty. Because last time that they asked him to go and bring shorty, they still went, drove him out of his house, killed people there. They arrested the shorty, Abaribe. I was staying in Abaribe's DSS bed after they have released him. Most people did not know he was arrested and detained for several months because they kept it secret. That's why we are not providing any shorty this time. No more victimization of anybody. But we are going to make this happen on October 20th, 2025. Next Monday. We have come to seek your assistance, support. Yes, the location is the Central Business District in Abuja. But the gathering point is the Unity Fountain. But in case they want to play funny, we have several other gathering places. We must make it to work that day. So we also urge you, every Monday for a long time, markets were shutting down in this country. And we want markets to take a break next Monday, just for Nnamdi Kanu. This is the last Monday we are going to go on break for him. Please, let's do it for our brother Nnamdi Kanu. But it's not just to shut down the markets, we want you to come to the peaceful protests so that we'll have the largest number gathered in Abuja on that day, Monday 20th. If you're on Twitter, it's MNNK20, October 20, MNNK, October 20. Free Nnamdi Kanu is the hashtag. Unconditional. And we have also invited all the Southeastern leaders, governors, House of Rep members. You have been seeing my post. Some of them have kept what they call radio silence. They will say that they want Nnamdi Kanu to release during the day. At night, they want to meet Tinubu, don't release him. God bless you. Yes. That is why you are seeing them playing this game. And this has nothing to do whether you are Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa. This is about justice. Yes. Because, you know, they have been putting around narrative. Yoruba, Yoshore is a Yoruba man. Don't trust him. You understand? I don't even know where I come from. I come from there. Yes. But I know that I'm a citizen of the world and I believe in justice. The only tribe I belong to is the tribe of justice. You're also going to notice that as soon as we leave this place, two things will happen. They will call your leaders to a meeting that you should not go. And then they will be discouraging people. Don't go. Some people will come and tell you that they have heard that police have been deployed. They don't distribute bullets now. All those things are lies. Because they are afraid. But we have said one last thing to them. You had a chance to release Nnamdi Kanu before the 20th. You don't have to do this. So if you are worried about us coming to Aso Rock, release him before the 20th. We'll find something else to do on the 20th. I always have something to do. I have extras to do, extras to do on the 20th. So you can help yourself by releasing him now. We can get the call now that he's been released. We start jubilating. We will just do party this whole weekend. So that is our message to you, and we hope to see you on Monday. Thank you so much.
Because we are missed people here, I want to speak English so that everybody will benefit. Yes. As I said before, the justice we are seeking can unite us together. So if there is nothing that we can do, I see all these people always on the television, but now the reality is before us. Yes. They are here with us. Yeah. We don't have any excuse that day than to match to wherever the venue might be. If they change the venue, we'll go to another. I want to assure you that day will shut our market down. This free Nnamdi Kanu, I will be there. Nnamdi Kanu was my senior in the primary school. The brother will testify. Wow. Have a new primary school. Yes. The father, your mother, your father that have killed, they are my mother's friend. Yeah. I'm not exaggerating. That's what I mentioned with that one. Will make you know that I'm not exaggerating. Yeah. So what I want to say is that I will be in the forefront. Yeah. Because it's a time in Nigeria that will call expect. Yes. They cannot kill all of us. Yes. Because if you listen to the media, you see what happened. What happened even yesterday when they toppled the government of Madagascar. So I want to tell you, it's the youth that spearheaded it. Yeah. These our elders have tried a lot. Yeah. And this time around, we want to assure you that we are solidly behind you people. Yeah. Because if we don't take action, all of us will perish. Yes. It is Kanu today, who knows who will be tomorrow. Yes. So in solidarity, we are behind you. Yes. Whether they like it or not, we will march forward to that place.
All right, please don't take this personal, okay, and don't be emotional about what I want to say now. The truth is, everything we are trying to do is to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is released. That is the truth. Like the last post I made where I called out our Igbo politicians like Peter Obi, and I asked question, why are they keeping silent? Why are they so quiet over the call to release Nnamdi Kanu? Some of you took it personal. Some of you were so emotional. Some of you in the comment section were like, leave our Igbo's politician out of this. Leave our Peter Obi out of this. They have been working on the ground. There is underground work going on to release Nnamdi Kanu. Please, let's be sincere to ourselves. This underground work that has been going on by our Igbo's politician, how many years is it now? Since this underground work has been going on, how many years is it now? And how many years are we going to wait for this underground work to be actualized before Nnamdi Kanu is released? How many years are we going to wait? Like, does it really make sense? And for those of you who are like, you know, Peter B is working on the ground, leave him. It's better for him to be neutral. It's better for him to keep silent so that, you know, they will not drag him. This is a trap for him, things like that. And some of you are like, you know, he's working on the ground. By the time he becomes president tomorrow, he will release Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know if that is the divination of the underground work that Igbo's politicians are working to release Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know if that is what you call underground work that has been going on. And if that is the case, how are you so sure? Comes 2027, Peter Obi will become the president of Nigeria. How are you so sure? Do you think the APC government, Tinubu, is so weak, is so daft, is so dumb, that they will just let go power like that from their hand? Don't you think the APC government, don't you think Tinubu will do everything humanly possible to complete his 8 years in office? Don't you think? And when the South, when Tinubu is done with his 8 years in office, don't you think the North will take over? So for how long are we going to wait? Like, are we going to wait until something happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody before we do something? God forbid, are we going to wait until then? Because every day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is complaining to us that his health is not okay, that he's not feeling fine. And we are just keeping quiet, and we are like, there is underground work that Igbo's politicians are doing to release him. Underground work for how many years? Like, when is the right time to fight for someone that is alive? When is the right time? Please, let's think well, because this calculation, it doesn't go well for me. God bless our Igbo's brothers and sisters. God bless Nigeria. God bless all those that love justice. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.